Today we're gonna be reviewing 32-inch collapsible reflectors. Here's what is in the pack. Got a user manual. Shows you how to collapse them once you use them, how to put them back. Come in a handy carrying case, which is great. And you're on the go, and you have to be on set or outside. You got 5-in-1 collapsible reflector. So you get the silver reflector, that's to add more light and harsh light. So you get more vibrant colors. You get the black one here, that's to absorb light, so it's not that reflective. And then you just open. Then we got the translucent one or white one. So this gives you more soft light. So you put it behind the light source, and it will soften the light. It makes it look more soft for like portraits and stuff like that. And this is reversible, so you got your gold side to make it more warm. The same thing. You close it, and then you put the other one in the inside, and there you have it. Now you go side for warm light, so you can just put it around and reflect gold with more warm tones. And then you got the white, which is for soft. It's like a soft box, so it will make the light a lot softer. So you can use it for portraits, for product photography, outdoors. You can use it in the studio if you don't have a lot of lights. You can use this to reflect lights. It's huge. To be collapsible and this big is an amazing thing to have. And you have all that in one. So all you do is just fold it in, and you're ready to go. Just put it on your bag in the carrying case, and now you're that easy to just take it out, and that's it. It's portable, greatly made, great materials. As you can see, it works perfectly. You just whatever look you need on your photography or videography, you got this tool. You have 5-in-1. You can't beat it. So definitely recommend it. So go ahead and get yours. Thank you for watching, and hope this video helped.